Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Gajar ka Halwa. For this recipe you would need 5 pounds of shredded carrots, 4 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of Khoya. To make Khoya, you would need half a gallon of half and half, 3 to 4 tablespoons white vinegar, sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of butter. In a non-stick pan, boil half and half on medium heat. Once it comes to boil, add vinegar. Now that the half and half has come to boil, add vinegar. Turn off the heat and let it sit for a few minutes. Strain the milk in a cheesecloth. Press to drain the water. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until all the water is drained. Next, in a pot, add butter, and the strained crumbled milk. Cook for a few minutes on low heat until all the water is gone. Optional, after a few minutes you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to give more flavor. Half a cup of oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and nuts of your choice to garnish. In a large pot, add carrots, milk, and cardamom powder. Cook for 30 to 45 minutes on medium to low heat, stirring occasionally. Once the carrots are cooked well and all the milk is dried up, then add oil or ghee. You can even add both. Cook for another 20 to 30 minutes, stirring constantly. Then add sugar and cook until all sugar is dissolved on medium heat. Cook until oil is separated from carrots and stir constantly. We are using 1.5 cups of sugar, but you can use as much as you would like. Next, add your nuts of your choice and mix in Khoya in the halwa. Stir lightly. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.